Back on this Suburban here, fuel pump pressure control module. We're going to program it. All right, TDS, I got to log in. I already bought this subscription this morning, so I'm going to add the VIN in, and I'm going to triple check it. I'm going to check it on the window, and I'm going to check it on door as well. I really don't do programming that often. It's probably like the third time I ever did it. It's required on some certain things. I got a battery maintainer on there. I'm gonna let this do its thing. It's taking a little bit of time. I really hope I'm not gonna have a problem. It's been here for a little while now. I know at 11 o'clock this is supposed to go down, and it's 9:30 right now. It's supposed to go down for maintenance or whatever. I had to update the TechLine Connect. Let's see if that works. Yes. Okay. Yep. Okay. 9:42. This thing's got to hurry up because the system goes down for maintenance at 11, and then I'm screwed. All right. Get blurry. Finish. Let it do its thing. Come on, let's do its thing. It's not exiting. Oh, there it goes. Wasn't doing nothing. Okay, checking lease. Okay, now we're in business. Usually GMs are really fast, but I had to update that, so it takes a little time. Still doing updates. I guess this is what happens when you use the tool only 2 or 3 times. Everything's got to get updated. And we definitely need that, the 2534 wrapper, because I'm not using a GM device. I'm using my Cardac 3 Plus. It's taking longer to download all this stuff than it is to actually do the programming. And I got the old module out. The new module is just hanging for now. And I'm actually using my hotspot. It's in my van. It's my apartment hotspot. It's a T-Mobile 5G thing, whatever the hell it is, the wireless thing that they got. It works pretty good for this. It's the first time I'm going to be using it for a programming event, but for for the laptop and my cell phone and my scan tools, it's been working pretty good. I think it's like $50 a month. I don't know how much an actual hotspot is, like a mobile hotspot, but I think you got to prepay for those. Okay. Finally, now I'm in. Okay, so now I'm going to enter in the VIN, and I'll take care of that. Alright, that is the correct VIN. This is a Suburban 4-wheel drive, except where's it at? Traverse Express, connect vehicle, manual. I am hooked up, correct? Alright, so connect vehicle. Where is my interface? Turn ignition off, verify. Hey man. Couldn't read it, went away. Okay, that's our vehicle. SPS2 Cardac 3. Okay, that's all on there. Support, Select vehicle, dashboard, SPS2. Come on. Alright, where am I at here? Okay. Diagnostic tool is ready. Replace and reprogram. Alright. Let's go to next. Where is it? Here it is. Fuel pump control module. Oh, am I still on? Yep. Alright, go to next. VIN slot. Warning. Yes, I want to use the VIN slot. It's doing stuff. Operating system, fuel pump control module, index, operating system, select, fuel pump programming, operating system. Okay, so next. New calibration for start production. 1 second, I gotta check the thingamabob there. Operating system, flow control. Alright, I think it's just all of them. Important HVAC may stop communication and become non-functional after programming this module. If this happens, do not replace. Functionality can be restored by cycling battery power. Okay. Please confirm the ECU has been replaced. It has. I did not supply this tool. Hopefully everything works fine with it. That's pretty annoying. I'm on focus. See, it's going by pretty fast. I'm thinking, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes to a half hour to do this whole job. It should take about. That's replacing the module, jacking the vehicle up so I can get my fat ass under it. The door locks are making noise there. And action complete. Okay, notify your vent. Where'd it go? Multiple year. I don't know what that was about. Notification for your VIN subscription has been updated. Later. Here's my warranty thing here. I'm just gonna do a print screen. Oops. Okay, so we're gonna read this now. Warranty claim, important notes, remarks. The warranty claim, blah blah blah. None of this stuff really means anything. I think this is more for the dealer, but I like to keep it for a record anyway. Mandatory controller specific instructions. This is what needs to be done after that. M5741. Clearing DTCs will erase stored history data from all controllers on the data link connector currently in use. Move your interface to an additional auxiliary data connector on the vehicle to clear DTCs from other controllers. When finished, return the interface to the data link connector. Okay. So I'm just gonna hit clear DTCs. And while I'm in here, I'm gonna quickly take a look and see if there's any updates. If there's any updates for any of the other modules. Come on there, fella. Okay, they are successfully cleared, however, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let's... let's see. Tell you the truth, I don't think I should do any of that because I don't know if anything else is going on with this. Let me see. Let's just see what happens. I just want to see what's going on. Let's see if it has any updates available. I should probably check and see if it runs first. Alright, so current calibration, it's up to date. There's nothing on the ECM, so I am good with that. And I'm just going to close out of this and cycle the key, and hopefully it starts. So cycle the key, take the key out for a second. This ignition switch is crappy, but and it runs. There you go. All done. Now I gotta get the fuel pressure module mounted because I just have it hanging. I wanted to get this thing programmed before I ran out of time, but that's it for this guy.